Welcome back, next day. So last night we were tuning and the car was having an issue once you cross about 4,000 RPM. It was kind of spitting and sputtering. So we're thinking the base timing might be off. So we got a timing light, you know, see it flickering over there. We're just letting the car warm up, settle down. Then we're gonna check base timing and kind of go from there. And hopefully get this thing a little more dialed in.
What that wire right there. Yeah, so just point it down. See that little
Right there?
Yeah, going my way though.
Where's it line up with the belt?
No. See that little knob on the case? So if you want the light right there? Right on the case. See the light real quick? There's a little knob right there on the case. See where the line is?
Okay.
It's about that fifth line, the last line. There's a knob on the case right there.
Okay. So I think you need to go a little more.
That's because they say the one is 0 and 5 is the second line.
So we need so that's 20 right there.
That'd be 20 right there.
And that's what the ECN's commanding is 20. So we should lock it down there and give it a shot. Alright, hopefully base timing's locked in, set. Let's still see what that does. Oh no!
That's the second one. Look, the engine's still going. He's still. That was a hard contact.
Tough day at TX2K. Anyway, reset base timing, and we'll see what that does for us. As you see, base timing was out just a hair. So got you on the tripod here and see what it does. Didn't like that. Didn't like that. See what's up with it. Not happy. All right, so as you've seen, a couple of hits there. We were kind of spitting and puttering. Go. I forgot to shut this GoPro off. I don't want the battery dying on me. So, ooh, better put it on charger too. Actually, GoPro turn off. All right. So as you guys seen, we're kind of spitting and puttering, and we're chasing timing, and so we decided let's pull a spark plug, check the timing strap. It might be hard to see, but the timing looked pretty decent on the strap. So we got like a 0.65 gap on it. So we got some new plugs. I mean, we checked it, it was over 45. So we got some new plugs, we're gapping them down for boost. Some nice new plugs, and then we're giving it a tune-up while it's in here. And so I'm gapping all these plugs, and he's throwing them in, and then we're gonna give it another lick, and fingers crossed, send one up for us, boys. All right, so as you've seen, we had to throw a new set of spark plugs in. Got it, got them all in there, gapped up. Of course, it fired right up. Just sounds like it's running good. I'm gonna grab our little timing light. We popped off. Yeah?
Hear that ticking? So either we're not, the spark plug's not plugged in, or it's running smooth.
Might have to check it. Might have to take the cover back off and check it again. Timing's right at 20. Spark plug cap it was. That's what it looks like. That sounded way better.
That was we were running. We was running it.
Oh, good.
All right.
I checked the base timing. We're still at 20, right where the factory set.
We're gonna send it.
Did you hear that one?
So small is better in this type of sizes.
A tight 19. There we go.
Get ready to send it if you want to record it.
Low boost, easy timing.
Low boost, easy timing. But low boost, easy timing. Now we can start dialing it, and now that it's running. Per the usual, cleaned up the fuel and made a couple adjustments in the computer. That sounded clean. That's the biggest fireball I've ever seen.
If I see your flags on fire.
It was nuts. That was nuts. Got a little nervous when I seen that. I was like, oh gosh. Woo-wee.
Probably just a bunch of junk inside the exhaust.
Add a little boost to it.
That was a pretty aggressive tune right there.
That was a good one, man. Ooh, let's see.
266.
Oh, got all the way out there to 266 horse.
266 here. Probably 270.
Yeah. Here, let's go. Let's see what it made when the turbos came on. 274.
Yeah, 274.
274.
Probably running out of turbo.
Yeah. You can bring.
All right, grass looking good, fuel's looking good. Last lick. R33 GTR. And your torque.
Probably right there. Oh yeah.
272, 253 torque. So those are pretty good numbers, considering this car made 275 at the flywheel from the factory. Now, mind you, this has a Haltech ECM, and it looks really clean, but for the most part, this is stock. It's stock injectors, stock turbos, stock stock engine. Nothing's been done to it. So the fact that this is putting down this advertised flywheel number at the tire 20 years later, whew, 25 years later, that's what an absolute beautiful car. And dang, is that nice. All right, so there it is. Everything's buttoned up. Drive shaft back in it, all the parts and bits back in it, full interior back in it. Looking good, ready for the streets. I got to see a couple fireballs. That's pretty cool. So the fireballs were from, this thing's been running really rich for a while because the ECM was tuned for sea level. So it's dumping more fuel than it needs up here elevation where we're at in Utah. So it just threw a couple of fireballs, cleaned the exhaust out, and really not seeing any issues now. It's running clean, it's running good. AFRs are spot on. So
The can rolling along.
yes, no Dodger, how he goes. So anyway, that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Leave us a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this beautiful R33 GTR. As always, thanks for tuning in to the Hook 937 YouTube channel. I'll catch y'all later.